Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge RAM with the TEAMGROUP T-Force Vulcan DDR5 32GB kit. Packed with impressive specs and boasting compatibility with Intel 600 and 700 series chipsets, this RAM is here to elevate your desktop experience to new heights. Let's talk speed. With a mind-blowing memory speed of 6000 MHz, this DDR5 kit is leading the charge into a new era of overclocking. Whether you're a hardcore gamer craving lightning-fast responsiveness or a multitasker who demands seamless performance, this RAM has got you covered. But it's not just about speed, it's about stability too. Equipped with ONDIECC, this RAM ensures a stable system, reducing the risk of errors and crashes. Plus, with Power Management ICs (PMICs) on board, you can count on efficient power usage, keeping your system running smoothly while minimizing energy consumption. One standout feature of the T-Force Vulcan DDR5 is its reinforced structure for better cooling. In the heat of intense gaming sessions or demanding workloads, efficient heat dissipation is essential for maintaining peak performance. With this RAM, you can push your system to its limits without worrying about overheating. And let's not forget about compatibility. Whether you're Team Intel or Team AMD, this RAM has been optimized for both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo, ensuring seamless integration with your system. In terms of reliability, TEAMGROUP has you covered. High-quality ICs are carefully selected to ensure stability and durability, so you can trust this RAM to keep up with your demands day in and day out. Overall, the TEAMGROUP T-Force Vulcan DDR5 32GB kit is a powerhouse upgrade for any desktop system. With blazing fast speed, rock-solid stability, and top-notch compatibility, it's the ultimate choice for gamers, content creators, and power users alike. Say goodbye to bottlenecks and hello to the next level of performance. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.